Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And in our previous English class, we have started a poem, L plates on my football shirt. Is it? So, today, what we are going to do is we are going to complete the remaining poem and also you have revision today, okay? From today onwards, the revision will be starting. So, we can revise the lesson today, okay? So you can take your booklet also with you now, okay? You can take your English booklet also with you, and also you can take the new pathway book also and open the poem L plates on my football shoe, okay? So we have seen the first two paragraphs of this poem, is it? Then we have 4 paragraphs remaining, and now we can see from the third paragraph, okay? Listen here. They told me to play sweeper, so I borrowed my mum's hoover and swept up their forward shots with a brilliant maneuver. They asked about my shooting and how I could attack, so I got out my rifle, but they made me put it back. Okay, so in this boy is asked to play sweeper. Okay, sweeper means the other name of sweeper is defender. Okay, sweeper is also called as defender. Okay, they will be standing in front of the goalkeeper. Okay, so this boy is asked to play sweeper, but this boy, he thought he want to sweep and he bought his mom's hoover. Okay, so see, this is that the picture, see there. So he bought his mom's hoover and he was playing with that. Okay, and then he asked him to play shooter. Okay, shooter means hitting the ball in an attempt to score a goal. Okay, the player will be hitting the ball in order to score a goal. That is shooter. Okay, but he doesn't know what is the meaning of this, and he bought a rifle with him. Okay, so they made him to put this rifle away. Okay, they made him to throw it away. Okay, and next one, I told them that my dribbling was the best they would get, then dribbled down their shirts and made them soaking wet. They asked me to play winger. I said I couldn't fly. Well, mark your man instead. So I gave him 2 black eyes. Okay, so they asked this boy to play dribbling. Okay, why means this boy told that I know to play dribbling. Okay, he is saying that the children will play with a small gun like one thing. I think you might have that. We can fill water in that and we can wet others' dress with the help of that. Okay, so this boy is saying about that dribbling, but the sir thought that he knows dribbling in football. Okay, dribbling means an attacking move. Okay, the player who is playing in one team, he will be keeping the ball with him. He will be playing with that ball and he will be keeping the ball with him till the next team is defeated. Okay, so that is dribbling. So the sir thought that he is saying about this dribbling, and the sir asked him to play dribbling. Okay, suddenly what he did, he made his friends dress everything wet. Okay, he was playing that dribbling. Okay, so by seeing this everyone will get angry, is it? So the sir then he asked him to play winger. Okay, winger means hitting the ball very fastly. So this boy told that I doesn't know to play winger because I don't have a wing with me. Okay, and then the sir told him to mark his man. Okay, mark his team members. Okay, but what he did, he thought he want to give a punch to them, and so he hit the eye of that boy and made it a black color. Okay, because of his punch the eye became black in color. Okay, and the next one, free kick, said the ref, so I did and watched him fall. Nobody had told me that I had to kick the ball. In view of this, the referee gave the other team the kick. I was told to build a wall, but I couldn't find a brick. Okay, so the sir told him to kick the ball. Okay, he gave a free kick to this boy, and this boy don't know what is that free kick. Okay, so what he did, he kicked his sir and he made him to fall. Okay, so he thought, when the sir asked him to kick, he thought that he want to kick that sir. Okay, but the sir told him to kick the ball, and he is saying that no one told me to kick the ball, so I don't know whether I want to kick the ball or anyone. So he kicked the sir. Okay, so because of that, the sir got angry and he gave this free kick to the next team. Okay, and then the sir asked him to build a wall. Okay, in football, building a wall means the players of one team will be standing like this. Okay, so in order to defend the ball. Okay, defend means the ball without allowing the ball to go hit the goal. Okay, they want to stand like this, but this boy is searching for bricks. Okay, he thought he want to build the wall with bricks. He doesn't know the terms which is used in football. He is the beginner, is it? So he doesn't know the terms that are used in the football, and so he is searching for the bricks. Okay, and the last stanza, in the end there's only two positions I can play, left back, right back, in the changing rooms all day. I am only a beginner and someone could get hurt, so I don't have a number but an L plate on my shirt. So in the end, because he is doing like this, the sir, everyone will get angry, is it? So in the end, what they did, they gave only two positions for him to play. That is not in the ground but in the changing rooms. Okay, he want to go left back and left right. Okay, and because he is the beginner of that game, he was given a L plate in his shirt. Okay, in football and all, in football, cricket and all, we can see that the player's shirt will have some numbers 1, 2, 3, and also their names, is it? But here, because this boy is a beginner and no one should get hurt because of this boy, he was given an L plate. Okay, so have you understood this poem, and have you understood why this boy is called as a fool? In the beginning, first paragraph, second line itself, we have seen that the players will be thinking this boy is a fool. So have you understood why this boy is thought as a fool by his friends? Okay, I hope that you all have understood this poem, and now we can start our revision. Okay, now we can take your booklet and take lesson 4, the boy who saved Holland. Okay, take this lesson. Okay, the boy who saved Holland, and in this you have synonyms, antonyms, verb form, and also frame sentence. There is no question in this lesson. Okay, you have only the one words, that is synonyms, antonyms, verb form, and also frame sentence. Okay, so first we can see the synonyms. See, we have 7 synonyms there. Okay, I will read, you repeat after me. Okay, mounds, heaps, mounds, heaps, reclaimed, taken back, reclaimed, taken back, flanks, sides, flanks, sides, expeditions, tour, expeditions, tour, gurgle, bubbling, gurgle, bubbling, bewildered, surprised, bewildered, surprised, elated, happy, elated, happy, mounds, heaps, reclaimed, taken back, flanks, sides, expeditions, tour, gurgle, bubbling, bewildered, surprised, elated, happy. Okay, so we have 7 synonyms and study the 7 synonyms also. Okay, so we can move to the antonyms. So you have 5 antonyms. Okay, so during this revision itself you try to study everything. Okay, so first one, below, above, below, above, cruel, merciful, cruel, merciful, victory, defeat, victory, defeat, forgot, remember, forgot, remember, hunched, straighten, hunched, straighten, below, above, cruel, merciful, victory, defeat, forgot, remember, hunched, straighten. So have you understood synonyms and also antonyms? Shall we move to the verb form? Okay, next one is verb form. Okay, so repeatedly I am saying this. For every lesson I will say this. While studying this verb form, study the spelling clearly. Okay, because 1 or 2 letters will be only changing, other spellings will be same. So don't confuse the spelling and don't write a mistake there. Okay, so study the spelling clearly. Okay, so present tense, past tense and past participle, is it? In your question, present tense will be given and you want to write the past tense and also past participle. Okay, so see, will, would, would, will, would, would. See the spelling, WOULD. Okay, drive, sorry, the spelling is wrong here, DROVE. Okay, drove, driven. Okay, so in this past tense, the second one, the spelling is wrong there, DROVE. Okay, it's a mistake of mine only. It's the spelling is wrong here, the which I have written is wrong. So drive, drove, driven, DROVE. In this past tense, the O is added. Okay, we will take that I and we will add a O there, and in past participle we will add N at the end. Okay, then roam, roamed, roamed, roamed spelling ROAMED. Okay, roam, roamed, roamed. Okay, next one, go, went, gone, go, went, gone, know, knew, known, know, knew, known. Okay, see the spelling clearly for this, and while writing also you check once or twice after writing also. Okay, because if one letter is wrong means also the whole answer will be wrong. So while studying itself, check the spelling clearly and study it. Okay, will, would, would, drive, drove, driven, roam, roamed, roamed, go, went, gone, know, knew, known. Okay, sorry, clear about this verb form. Okay, shall we move to the frame sentence then? Okay, so frame sentence, you have only one frame sentence here, explore. Okay, explore. Answer is, she decided to explore the path. Okay, explore, she decided to explore the path. Explore. She decided to explore the path. Okay. Explore. She decided to explore the path. Okay. So have you understood this lesson? The boy who saved Holland. In this you have only synonyms, antonyms, verb form and frame sentence. Okay. You don't have any question answers. So today itself you want to study this. Okay. Today itself you want to study this and don't postpone this for tomorrow. Okay. Because you have your quarterly exam very near. Your quarterly exam is very near to you. So before that you want to study every portions. Is it? So don't postpone anything for tomorrow. So every teachers will be giving revision for you. So today itself, each day you want to study. They will be giving only something to study, not many. They will giving only a limited portions for studying each day. So don't postpone anything, and for everything you study that day itself. I think you might have studied this lesson previously, so it will be easy for you to revise today. Okay. So today itself, when you get time, you study this. Okay. So now itself get ready for your exams. Okay. Thank you, students.